welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and today I am playing with paint. Odd that, I tend to do that a lot on this channel. So today I am going to be painting on this Tom Jones long play record. And I haven't got my spinner out for a while and I really enjoy the utter unknown results that you get. Where's my hole? Yeah, I can't see through this new sellotape that I've got. I can't see. I can't see my... No, can't see. It's gonna be wonky. Oh well. Oh, lightning. We're having a thunderstorm at the moment. I hope you're not scared of thunderstorms. If you are, please skip this video right now. I can't guarantee that that's not going to come through. Anyway, I love thunder, but I just, heads up. Right, so what are we doing? We're pouring paint, lots of it. We're going to pour pretty paint, lots of pretty paint. So what I have chosen for our colours is we're going to start off with some bronze and stir it. Oh, that is super thick. Oh, sorry. I should have checked my colours before I started the video. Let's get there. So I'm going to be pouring as this is spinning round, and the centrifugal force of the spin then pushes the paint out. So I pour solely in the middle, wherever the middle might be, because I don't know it. Normally, you saw that little cross on my spinner. Normally, I can see that through the sellotape that's across the bottom, the hole in the record, and I can, line it up pretty much right. Some people get a little bit OCD about it when I'm off, but the cool thing is it's not going to be centered. We know it's not going to be centered, so if you're going to have an upset about it not being centered, please, once again, turn this video off. Alright, so we've got our bronze. Then we're going to layer in some turquoise. As you can see, my colours are so totally not evenly mixed. Then we are going to put in some gold. Again, it's gone thick again. Then there is no copper in there at all, so we're not going to put any copper in. Then we're going with Prussian blue instead of black. Normally I would have put black as my top colour, but I'm not choosing that. So that's the last of my Prussian blue for that mix. I do have more up in the cupboard. I did my massive stock up before lockdown. We are still in lockdown here in New Zealand. While I'm recording this, we're in level 3. Level 4 was everybody stay home. Level 3 is everybody stay home except if you can work in a non-contact scenario. And then hopefully we'll be moving on to level 2s and stuff like that. So, but by the time you see this, we might already be in level 2, hopefully, because I'm pre-painting these so that I can go and live with my mum when she gets out of hospital, and I'll update you where she's at at the moment you're watching this in the dry result, because I'll know where she's at that point. So let's pour some paint. That is so wonky. Starting to go off the sides at some points, but not at others. I'm getting it all over the place. I haven't got my walls out. I should have had my walls out. Alright, so can you see it all over the place? Alright, I'm just gonna see if we can get this to go over the edge, just on this one side. Quick spin. All over the window, it looks like it's raining. It's raining paint. There we go. You know what I really love about doing this is sometimes you have little dots of paint, little bits of stuff in your paint. Let me get this off my blue tack so I can bring it up and show you what I'm talking about, because the way I'm recording at the moment I can't zoom very well. So you see these little bits that are kind of pointy. Yeah. See these bits that are pointy? So that is where there's little microscopic bits of stuff in the paint. And they've stayed still and the paint's moved. And so they've left these drag lines. And I really like it. Now there's no silicone in this paint. And I'm wondering whether we're actually going to see the gold. See the difference between the gold and the bronze? But it's so thin, it will dry really quickly, this one. So if you're after a quick drying method, this is it. It's so pretty. So it's turquoise and Prussian blue, which will dry pretty close to black, but it's still a dark blue. Gold and bronze. So let's see what it dries like. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here it is, and it is dried so pretty. Look at this. Just shimmers. Whoop, whoop. Oh, yum, 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 yum. It's got my favorite turquoise, and it's got dark blue. I can so see me running around in clothes made of this stuff. So I'm going to have a play. I just think you could just line those rings up and make some just beautiful material. Alright, so that's that. So pretty, so love it. It would make a really cool clock hanging in someone's house. If that's fun for you, I would resin it and send you the clock pieces. It's only $150 for a resined clock from me, so if that turns you on, and remember that's New Zealand dollars, which is like about 110 US plus postage. So if that is something that you would love to have, that would be cool. Let me know. Contact me. So, update. How's my mum doing? I brought her home on Wednesday. Today's Friday in New Zealand. And she is doing better and better every moment. She's still very weak, having been in hospital for 2.5 weeks. But you know what? She has the will to live. She has the will to get better. And she's even set herself some physical targets, which are beyond what she was capable of before she got sick. So how does it get better than this? Yay! So I'll probably be here for a little while yet, and I'll keep the videos coming. Cheers. And yeah, so that was, I had fun with this. I hope you enjoyed watching me play and get paint. Look, I still haven't cleaned up my windows up. There's my paint all over the place. Oh well, it's all good. Nothing important got damaged. So come play with me. Hit that subscribe button. I have many more paintings to come. If you enjoyed this sort of thing, then please come play. What else is possible? How much more fun can we have? And I look forward to playing with you again really soon. Bye bye.